Blueberry lemon cake is an amazing cake that has a fantastic taste. Hi family, welcome back to my channel. It's unusual Miss B here. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. On this channel, I share cake recipes, cake decorating tutorials, lifestyle content, vlogs, and good vibes. Please do not make this video your last click. Kindly subscribe to my channel. You're gonna love it here. I created this recipe for you with so much love. From the look on this cake, you can tell it's gonna taste so good. Trust me, it's super delicious and nice. Alright, so here are my ingredients, and I'm going to show you guys each and every one of them for you to see what it looked like. So this one here is my lemon juice, my buttermilk, flour. This is my eggs, margarine, my sugar, the star ingredient of the recipe, which is the blueberries. This one here is the Greek yogurt, unsweetened Greek yogurt, my vanilla flavor, buttermilk, fresh lemon juice that was extracted from my lemon. This here is the lemon zest. So I use the foreign lemon, which is the yellow one. So here are the ingredients, guys, and let's start the baking process. The recipe is in the description of this video, so take your time and go through it. It's a well detailed recipe. Now, the first thing I added here was my margarine. I had to cream it for like 5 minutes. Make sure you do this process. It's very important. You cream your margarine or your unsalted butter for 5 minutes. It has to be fluffy enough before you add in your sugar. And oh, I forgot to let you all know that before I added the sugar, I added 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. You can use a canola oil if you have any. So I want you all to enjoy the process of this video, and I will speak to you all later. You have to cream your margarine and your sugar until it's pale, light, and fluffy. And after that process is done, you have to now add in your eggs. Make sure that you're using fresh eggs. If your ingredients are not fresh enough, it's going to affect the texture of your cake. So at this point, I have added in my eggs. Always try to scrape down your batter into your bowl. So this is here my buttermilk, and of course the fresh lemon juice that was extracted from the lemon. I am also adding here my Greek yogurt, unsweetened Greek yogurt, please. If you have the regular yogurt, it's fine, you can use it. The regular yogurt is the yogurt Greek, which is the liquid one. You can also use Greek yogurt, just like what I used here in this video. I'm adding in here my vanilla flavor, which is 2 teaspoons of vanilla flavor. When baking your cakes, it's very important you always scrape down the sides of your batter. You don't want to see one side of your batter, margarine, sugar. It's very important to scrape down so that as you're creaming, everything is well incorporated together. Even while you mix your eggs, always scrape down. So at this point, the next thing I'm adding right here is my flour. You can, add it gradually, okay, and then you mix it properly. Kindly note that you don't have to over mix your batter. A lot of work goes into the oven, so it all depends on your baking process. If your cake did not come out nice, then trust me, your baking process went wrong. So this is what the batter is looking like, and as you can see, it's so fluffy and nice. Now the next thing I'm adding right now is my blueberries. This process is very important. Try to mix it together inside your flour so that it doesn't sink too much inside your cake batter. So at this point, I am done, mixing with my flour, and it's time to add it into my batter, and I'll give it a proper mix. Please, if you have watched to this point and you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Kindly hit the subscribe red button, click on the notification bell so that you can always get notified whenever I upload a new video. Like the video, share the video, drop your comments, let me know what you think about this particular video. Also, let me know if you're getting value from this particular video. Okay, so after all said and done, you give your batter a little tap so that it can release all the air bubbles. At this point, I am adding in my blueberries one by one. Of course, it's a lemon blueberry cake, so hence the lemon juice I talked about. So you bake for 40 to 45 minutes depending on your size of your pan. Okay, now this is what the cake is looking like, and trust me, this cake tastes so good. It's fluffy, it's soft. This can serve as your dessert, okay, not just for eating. You can serve this at parties, you can serve it with whipped cream or American buttercream. Now this is what the cake is looking, so fresh. I love the texture of this cake. I love the fact that it has a little bit of tangy taste. That's why, you know, the tangy taste came from the lemon. Of course, that's why it's a lemon blueberry cake. So I tried to drizzle a little bit of icing sugar just for extra taste, and yeah, so that's it. To give it a slice just to see what the inside and the texture look like. Oh my goodness, you guys, this cake tastes so good. Can you feel the texture? This is the inside of the cake, and you all, I want you people to try this recipe for your customers. Trust me, they're gonna love it. Yummy and fluffy on the inside, and this is our blueberries simply showing perfectly inside the cake. If you want to add in more blueberries, please feel free to do so. But for the sake of this video, I didn't add in a lot of blueberries because the blueberries is so super expensive. But like I said before, if you love blueberries so much, please feel free to add in a lot inside your cake. So let's have a taste of this. Okay, it's time to dig in. Everyone at home loved this cake, and I'm sure your customers are going to love it as well if you bake this type of cake for them. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like the video, share it, and subscribe to my channel. This is a beautiful texture. Can you see what this cake is looking like? I so much love it. Stay joyful and stay fabulous. Enjoy the rest of this video. Bye.